Take your Excel skills to the next level. Join us for the upcoming Excel Bootcamp Series offered by Stanford Tech Training. The Bootcamp provides a series of 4 different training sessions designed to cover many of Excel's powerful tools and features. In today's competitive world, Excel proficiency is a must-have skill. Mastering Excel can make a significant difference in your productivity and success. The Bootcamp's instructors is one of the Bay Area's leading Excel trainers. He provides clear and simple instructions that can easily be followed by all participants. He will guide you through the ins and outs of Excel and help you to unlock its true potential. During each of these practical hands-on bootcamp sessions, you'll learn everything from basic functions to advanced data analysis techniques. The sessions will cover essential topics like creating and formatting spreadsheets, using formulas and functions, sorting and filtering data, creating charts and graphs, and so much more.
The Excel Bootcamp program consists of 4 half-day training sessions and an optional final exam. The exam will provide you with an assessment of the skills that you will have learned. The Excel Bootcamp sessions include Excel Bootcamp Series, Basics, Formulas and Functions, Charts, Data Sets and Reporting. Upon successful completion of the exam, you will have earned your well-deserved certificate of proficiency in Excel. To qualify for taking the certification exam, all you need to do is attend at least 3 out of the 4 sessions. The Excel Bootcamp will help you to improve your productivity, efficiency, and confidence at work. The certification will add to your credentials and enhance potential career opportunities.
Join us for the upcoming Tech Training Excel Bootcamp this summer. Step onto the path of Excel mastery. Visit our website at techtraining.com now to register and reserve your spot.